Very good morning to all of you, and a very happy Republic Day to all the children here. So as we are celebrating 75th Republic Day this year, we are very fortunate to be in this special occasion of 75th Republic Day in India. So last year we celebrated 75th Independence Day, and this year we are celebrating the 75th Republic Day. This generation, all of us are very fortunate to witness this kind of historic moments where there is a specific milestone of 75 years, 100 years, 50 years, these kind of celebrations. We are part of it. We are very thankful to this opportunity. So these 75 years of independence, 75 years of Republic Day, all this came with a lot of struggles from the freedom fighters, and there is a lot of hard work behind this from the various people in the history of India. I'll just tell you one small example. Say suppose nowadays we are in the generation where a phone version itself is upgrading for every 3 months. Say suppose if you look at any phone software also, every 3 months there is a new version coming up. So Android 1, Android 2, Android 3. Suppose if you look at iPhone only, there is almost like a 15th iPhone which is running. And in terms of software, there is a 17th version that is running. So for a phone software only which is changing dynamically so fast, so imagine a rule book for India, Constitution of India, which has to be visualized for the next 100 years. Somebody did it long back, 75 years back, and that is still valid. So imagine the kind of visualization those people have. Whoever has written the constituency, the kind of visualization they have, the kind of vision they have. A rule book which is written 75 years back, still valid and useful to the nation and guiding the complete nation is not a small thing. I think we all should clap for them for the kind of vision that they have for the India. So one more, so all of us as India is emerging year on year in the global direction and becoming a superpower across the globe. So this Republic Day we are celebrating exclusively with all the women here and all the girls students here as a special celebration at Dondigal campus. Very happy to see all the girls here exclusively from all the residential and campuses of the residence. So one special thing that I want to suggest to all the girl students on this Republic Day is, as we move towards the globalization, all of us keep thinking about the global opportunities which are there, how India can become a superpower, how India can change the world and all these things. But on the other side, what I also want to emphasize to all of you is what we can also contribute to India. So because all of us, whenever we keep talking to each other nowadays, like studying here, going abroad and doing a job, there is almost like it is there in every family. So everybody, whenever they want to go and achieve some bigger things, everybody is trying to move towards abroad and achieve much bigger things. There is nothing wrong in that, but at the same time, my request to all the young generation girls who are here is, so wherever, whatever you do, say suppose 15 to 20 years of your education is in India, and if you can give the same 15-20 years back in your life to India, then India will definitely become a superpower. So you might have your own dreams, you might have your own goals, you might have your own plans. There is nothing wrong in it. Do well, achieve it, no problem. India has given 20 years of education to you. Give 20 years back to India. That is the best gift that you can give to India. The talent of India should work for India, should work for the growth of India. That is the important thing that all of us should learn and all of us should look forward for. India will definitely become superpower. And India is moving towards that, and all of us should have a role in that. That means all of us should start giving back to India. So nowadays Indian talent is ruling the world in various segments. All of us keep hearing about various examples where the Indian tech people are becoming the CEOs, Indian leaders are ruling the world, and India is becoming a great example in various aspects. My request to all of you is take inspiration from that, become so powerful that India will be proud of you. All the best to all of you. Happy Republic Day once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We are enlightened by your words. Dance is the language of soul and a dialogue without words. Here comes Jiaxian Group with a group dance performance. Keep your hands together to welcome Jiaxian Group.